The Blink Outdoor 4, 4th Gen Plus Battery Extension Pack is a versatile, wire-free smart security camera designed to keep your home secure with minimal hassle. It delivers 1080p HD live view with infrared night vision, ensuring clear visuals day and night. The two-way audio feature allows communication through the Blink app, making it easy to interact with visitors or monitor your property. The battery extension pack offers up to 4 years of battery life, reducing the need for frequent replacements and ensuring continuous operation. Its enhanced motion detection with dual-zone technology ensures precise alerts directly to your phone, and person detection is available with an optional Blink subscription plan. Users can choose between cloud storage or local storage using the Sync Module 2 and a USB drive. Plus, integration with Alexa allows for voice-activated control, letting you arm, disarm, or check the live view hands-free. The package includes one Blink Outdoor 4 camera, the battery extension pack, Sync Module 2, 6 AA lithium batteries, a mounting kit, a USB cable, and a power adapter, making it easy to set up and start securing your home right out of the box. It's an ideal solution for those seeking reliable, long-term home security with the convenience of remote access and smart features. The Beats Studio Buds with AppleCare Plus combine top-notch audio performance with added protection and support for an all-around premium experience. With their custom acoustic platform, these earbuds deliver rich, immersive sound that brings your music to life, whether you're enjoying deep bass or clear vocals. The dual listening modes, active noise cancelling, ANC, for immersive listening and transparency mode for staying aware, give you control over your environment. Plus, with 3 different ear tip sizes, you can find the perfect fit for comfort and sound isolation. These earbuds offer up to 8 hours of listening time on a single charge, with the compact charging case extending it to 24 hours of playback, perfect for long commutes or travel. The AppleCare Plus coverage takes it a step further, offering 24/7 priority access to Apple experts, ensuring you get immediate help when needed. With mail-in or carry-in repairs and an express replacement service, you can have peace of mind knowing that any issues with your headphones, battery, or charging cable will be handled quickly. This combination of superior audio quality, flexible listening modes, and AppleCare Plus support makes the Beats Studio Buds a standout choice for those who want convenience and performance. Whether you're working out, traveling, or just relaxing with your favorite playlist, these earbuds deliver great sound and a seamless user experience, backed by the reliability of Apple's service network. The Samsung Galaxy Watch 7, 44mm, Bluetooth AI Smartwatch is a powerful fitness and lifestyle companion, offering cutting-edge features and a sleek silver design. As part of the Prime Big Deal Days bundle, buyers receive a free Athleisure Band, adding value and comfort to their experience. This watch is designed to push you beyond your limits with Galaxy AI, providing insights on how to improve your runs, bike rides, and workouts by comparing your current performance with previous results. The Energy Score feature analyzes your daily readiness based on prior activities, helping you plan your day more effectively. For those focused on heart health, the Galaxy Watch 7 offers enhanced heart rate tracking that uses AI to provide more precise readings by filtering out body movements. It's an ideal tool for getting the most out of your workouts. Additionally, personalized wellness tips offer guidance to keep you aligned with your health goals, giving you tailored suggestions based on the data collected from your activities. Sleep quality is another focus area, with the watch's advanced sleep tracking capabilities offering insights into your sleep patterns and detecting potential issues like moderate to severe sleep apnea. This data is collected by the watch and analyzed on your phone, helping you understand how to improve your rest and overall well-being. Staying connected is simple with suggested replies, an AI-driven feature that provides quick responses to texts, making communication easy while you're on the move. The Galaxy Watch 7 also enhances your workouts and daily routines with on-wrist music streaming, allowing you to bring your favorite playlists or podcasts wherever you go, whether you're at the gym or out for a walk. This smartwatch also comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty, ensuring reliability and support throughout your use. Its versatile features, combined with a stylish design and enhanced AI capabilities, make the Samsung Galaxy Watch 7 a top choice for anyone looking to improve their fitness, stay connected, and enjoy a tailored approach to their wellness journey.